Good morning friends, welcome to my channel Medics Tutorial, and today's topic is respiratory system. These are my subtopics: embryology, anatomy, histology, physiology, pathology and the pharmacology. And my objectives are to study respiratory system efficiently and in integrated way. Also to get firm command on the respiratory system, as we are going to be doctors, so definitely we have to deal with patients who are suffering with respiratory problems. So that time these foundation subjects will help us to get a proper diagnosis and to use a particular treatment on these problems so we can cure the patient. I would like to mention here my outlines for this topic. How I'm going to discuss these topics. So first I will discuss about the introduction of the respiratory system. Second one is the embryology of the respiratory system. Third will be the anatomy, histology, physiology, pathology, pharmacology, and last but not the least one is the practice questions of the whole topics. As we have mentioned in above, these are the sequence of the videos, also how I am gonna upload on my channel, which you will get in a playlist, which will be as respiratory system itself. Without getting further delay, we'll move towards our main topic, which is the introduction of the respiratory system. The respiratory system provides for exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide to and from the blood, which means we are exchanging oxygen from alveoli to the blood and carbon dioxide from blood to the alveoli to and from. Respiratory organs include the lungs and the branching system of bronchial tubes that link the site of gas exchange with the external environments. Air is moved through the lungs by ventilating mechanism or breathing, which is the movement of air through the conducting passage between the atmosphere and the lungs, which is consisting of the thoracic cage, intercostal muscles, diaphragm, and the elastic components of the lung tissue. The respiratory system can be divided anatomically into upper and lower respiratory tracts. Also, functionally, it can be divided into two components, such as the conducting portion and the respiratory portions. So, the conducting portion, which consists of the nasal cavities, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and the terminal bronchioles. The respiratory portion, where the system's main function, which is the gas exchange, takes place, consisting of the respiratory bronchioles, alveolar ducts, and the alveoli. Alveoli are the cellular sites of gas exchange of O2 and CO2 between inspired air and the blood. Alveoli are small air-filled and sac-like structures which make up most of the lung structures. The conducting portion cleans and humidifies inspired air and provides conduits, which means passage for air movement to and from alveoli to ensure an uninterrupted supply of air. A combination of cartilage, collagen, and elastic fibers and the smooth muscles provide the conducting portion with rigid structural support and the necessary flexibility and extensibility. Please do remember, cartilage, collagen, and elastic fibers and smooth muscles provide conducting portion with rigid structural support and necessary flexibility and extensibility. Now I'll talk about the major functions of respiratory systems. It provides large surface area for exchange, which is gas exchange, between air and circulatory blood. It moves air to and from the exchange surface of lung along the respiratory tract. It protects respiratory surface from dehydration, temperature change, and defend against invasion by pathogens. It produces sounds involved in speaking, singing, and other forms of communication. Also, it aids in the sense of smell by olfactory receptors which are present in the superior portion of the nasal cavities. So mainly respiratory system have only 5 major functions. So first one is the gas exchange, second is the conduction of air from atmosphere through nasal cavity to the alveoli, then protection, then phonation, which means the production of sound. Lastly, it have the sense of smell. That's it. Here we end with the introduction of the respiratory system, and the next video will be on embryology and embryological defects of the respiratory system. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.